Welcome to the best picks. The best beach wagon is probably one of the most underrated beach accessories, but trust me, it can make your beach days infinitely easier. Hauling chairs, coolers, umbrellas, and all the other gear can be a real hassle. Today, we're diving deep into the world of beach wagons with big wheels, exploring what makes them stand out and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. BEAU JARDIN Folding Beach Wagon. Introducing the BEAU JARDIN Folding Beach Wagon. This versatile wagon is designed to make your outdoor adventures easier. It's perfect for carrying all your essentials. The wagon features dual handles, giving you the flexibility to push or pull. The adjustable handles ensure a comfortable grip for users of all sizes, making it easy to steer. Built with a heavy-duty carbon steel frame and a double-layer base, this wagon can handle up to 350 pounds. The durable Oxford fabric is tear-resistant, and the frame is rust-proof for easy cleaning. Equipped with large, all-terrain wheels and 360-degree rotating front wheels, this wagon navigates any surface. Dual front brakes provide added safety, preventing any unwanted sliding. This wagon is perfect for carrying everything from beach gear to gardening supplies. It's ideal for family outings, camping trips, or simply moving items around your yard. It's a great helper for you. With a generous interior size and 2 mesh cup holders, it offers plenty of space. It folds down compactly for easy storage, fitting perfectly in your closet or car trunk. It's ready to go whenever you need it. What we like? This wagon features both push and pull handles, giving you ultimate control. Its 360-degree rotating wheels make navigating any terrain a breeze. If you are looking for a versatile wagon that can handle everything from beach trips to gardening, this is the one for you. It's designed to make your outdoor adventures easier. What people say. Great product, very high quality, nice size, easy to maneuver, great for camping, beach, park, etc. Folds up for easy transport, highly recommended, also very heavy duty with a lot of weight capacity. The bed of the wagon is very sturdy. For now I only have a blanket in there and it's comfortable for my dog. It worked very well, handled the sand well, held our chairs, cooler, fishing pole, etc. and made the walk to the beach much easier. Number 4. Overmont Collapsible Wagon Cart. Tired of multiple trips? This wagon boasts a huge 150L capacity and can handle up to 330 pounds. It has a special side pocket for long items, so you can carry everything you need in one go. Get ready for easier adventures with all your essentials. Unlike other carts, this one has wide, all-terrain wheels with dual bearings. Whether it's sand, rocks, grass, or mud, it makes transport smooth and easy. This is perfect for any outdoor adventure, built to handle any terrain with ease. Made from strong Q195 carbon steel and durable Oxford fabric, this wagon is built for tough tasks. The front wheels have brakes and swivel functions for easy control. You will experience superior quality and durability with every use. It folds down quickly to save space. This compact cart easily fits into your car trunk, garage, or closet. It's perfect for tight spaces and easy to transport. Unlike most carts, this one has a one-click removable fabric for easy cleaning. Even after muddy outings, you can detach and wash the fabric. Enjoy a clean and fresh wagon every time. Ideal for camping, beach trips, and grocery shopping, this wagon handles all your transport needs. Say goodbye to lifting and carrying, just load it up and enjoy every adventure with ease. What we like? With its massive capacity and sturdy build, this wagon can handle all your gear in one go. The wide all-terrain wheels ensure smooth transport across any surface. If you're planning camping trips or need a reliable way to haul groceries, this wagon's removable fabric makes cleaning a snap, keeping it fresh and ready for your next adventure. What people say. The wheels are another highlight. They're big, rugged, and handle different terrains well. It unfolds and folds up surprisingly quickly and compactly, making it easy to store even in small spaces. Opens easy, closes easy, and stores neatly. Number 3. Uyittour Collapsible Folding Wagon. This wagon features wide wheels made of durable materials, ensuring excellent maneuverability. It easily rolls over obstacles like rocks and roots, making transportation more efficient. The double bearings enhance carrying capacity and safety. Tired of struggling with camping gear? This wagon is designed to make your life easier. It combines a heavy-duty steel frame with 600D Oxford fabric, offering ample storage space for all your essentials. The fabric is built to handle heavy loads. No more multiple trips back and forth. This folding wagon has a large capacity, holding up to 140L. It's like a lifesaver, making hauling tasks simple and efficient. This powerful wagon folds easily into a compact package. With pull tabs and a foldable handle, it's easy to store in a closet, garage, or car trunk. It ensures maximum convenience. It comes with locking front wheels and small pockets for extra storage. The expandable sides accommodate bulky items. The flexible handle offers a rebound function, making it easy to use. This wagon is perfect for various terrains, providing stability and maneuverability. Its practicality and stylish appearance will attract you. Make it your ideal companion for camping trips and efficient help around the home. What we like. This wagon's wide wheels and sturdy frame make transport efficient on various terrains. It has a large capacity, perfect for hauling camping gear or groceries. If you're tired of multiple trips, this wagon's large capacity and easy folding design will be your lifesaver, making your outdoor activities much more enjoyable. What people say. Whether you're moving in or out, going to the beach, or trying to get all of your groceries inside in one trip, this wagon does it all. Este artículo es perfecto para la playa, puedes echar casi todo y lo más importante es que no es fishing por la arena. Do you use this for the beach, craft shows, hauling around my child? Have you even put a dog in it and it's done great? Folds up nicely in the store on the garage shelf. Number 2. Overmont 200L Folding Wagon Cart. This Overmont wagon offers a spacious 200L storage capacity, much larger than other wagons. It folds down to a compact size and weighs only 19 pounds, making it easy to store and transport. The wagon features a tailgate design that opens to provide 50% more storage space. This is perfect for carrying long or bulky items, or even taking your pets along for the ride. It also includes cup holders and storage pockets. Constructed with sturdy steel, this wagon is rust-resistant and can support up to 300 pounds. The 600D Oxford fabric is tear-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring it will last for years. The wagon has detachable 360-degree swivel wheels for easy steering. The front wheels have dual brakes, allowing it to move smoothly on any terrain. The adjustable handle accommodates users of different sizes. This heavy-duty folding wagon sets up and folds in seconds. You can use it at the beach, for travel, in the garden, shopping, or for sports. It will be your trusty companion for years to come. What we like. This wagon offers an upgraded, larger capacity with a unique tailgate design for extra space. The 360-degree swivel wheels make it easy to maneuver on any terrain. If you need a wagon that can handle bulky items and provide effortless transport, this is the perfect companion for your outdoor trips, offering convenience and ease of use. What people say. I am blown away by the functionality, durability, and versatility of this cart. I especially appreciate the 2 bottle holders on one end and the drop-down option on the other end to unload. The wheels provide excellent maneuverability for sharp or narrow areas. Perfect size for hiking 4 folding chairs and a small cooler rather than humping it on everyone's shoulders and backs. This wagon serves all my needs. It has so much packing space and can hold up to 300 pounds. Large wheels, beverage holders in the front and a cover to use when packed up. Number 1. YITAHOME 300 pounds heavy-duty collapsible wagon, black. This utility wagon is designed to carry more. It has an upgraded frame and larger wheels, expanding its capacity to 200 liters and a weight limit of 300 pounds. It's perfect for all your camping essentials. This folding wagon cart is built with reinforced 600D Oxford fabric over a sturdy steel frame. This construction allows it to hold up to 300 pounds and is tear-resistant. It's built to last. Enjoy smooth and easy transportation with this collapsible wagon. It features excellent anti-slip performance and 4 big 7 by 3.2-inch wheels. The thickened handle makes it easy to control on any surface. It only takes a few seconds to fold and unfold this heavy-duty wagon. This allows for instant use and compact storage in your garage or car trunk. The fabric handle makes it easy to carry. This grocery wagon is perfect for transporting items. Whether you're hauling groceries, equipment, or anything else, it's ideal for camping, parks, yards, beaches, shopping, and sports. It's the perfect solution. What we like. This wagon is designed to carry more and hold heavier items, making it ideal for various uses. The big wheels and sturdy frame ensure safe and stable transportation. If you're looking for a wagon that's easy to set up and store, this one folds and unfolds in seconds, making it perfect for any outdoor activity. What people say. The wagon is very easy to pull across the sand. The large wheels make it easy to pull the wagon across the sand. It is very sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.